Steal your intro.
Stuff out of that bag.
Is that fine?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog.
What is up, guys?
I don't want you near me.
Alright, what is up, guys?
Hey, what's up, guys? You should do a whole thing on what's up, guys.
What is up, guys? What is up, guys?
See if somebody can get a hold of Brandon.
They look like they're
Wait, you can't see me very good.
set up for retail.
Hi. Hi. He's packing.
I've never seen sort of sprint before.
What is up, guys? Do you notice that everybody's wearing stripes today? So we're out here BC Day Long Weekend in Princeton. And there's just casually a deer in one of the campsites. This is the most Canadian experience I've ever had in my life. Look at this beaver. Look how cute he is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, that's so crazy. He's literally right there. That's so cool. I've never felt more Canadian.
I know. I'm wearing a perfect shirt. That's so cool.
Wow.
I'm sneaking.
We're going this way.
Mom,
Camping. Mandatory hiking.
just one word. We're being sent on a mandatory family walk right now.
Bless you.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.